Subscribe to Film Companion for your film fix. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
I remember I was really hamming it. I was like, I really want to act this out, like I was like, let me remove all my 10, 15 years of people telling me you can't be an actress. I'm going to prove it in this scene. And I did a terrible job. And she
I
said,
don't
"Itna bura kyun kar
remember.
rahi hai? Chilla kyun rahi hai?" She said, "Chilla kyun rahi hai?" She said that.
But I realized in that phase, even after I had my boyfriend, who's my husband now, that I was missing something. That everybody was taking me for granted because I was home. So, and there was a lack of respect. This is what I felt. So I think works gives you respect. It makes you
Yeah.
feel respectable.
Neena ma'am, Masaba, welcome to my show on Film Companion. It's called Spill the Tea.
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
yeah.
Thank you so much for being part of the show. Masaba, your life just very organically lends itself to a very exciting, gripping web series. And to top it all, you landed yourself one of the best known actresses, working actresses in the country today to play your mother. So good job.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm honored.
But she had no choice. She had no choice. She
I had
couldn't
no
have said,
choice.
नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए दूसरी मम्मी लाओ.
I just want to start off by asking you, Masaba, the thought of a web show about your life where you're in practically every frame, that too on a scale like Netflix. Was the thought like utterly nerve wracking or like completely exhilarating? How much did it take to convince you to get on board?
It took me nothing. It took me nothing to, to convince me because I remember Ashwini writing to me a couple of years back and saying, you know what, I love your Instagram and I love the way you communicate with people and you're really funny. You laugh at yourself and all those things. And I remember I said, and she said, would you like to do, I think we should do a show that's based on your life. So first, I thought it was a reality show, and I said no way because that's not something I ever want to do. Because the idea of a camera following me around in my day-to-day life is like that's a no-go. But then she said it's going to be like a mockumentary, so it will be part scripted and part reality. But it's us playing fictionalized versions of ourselves. So I said this is amazing. One, hadn't been done in India before. Two, it was my chance to be in front of the camera in the way I would like, and or to make a debut in the way I would have liked to make a debut. So I was convinced from the word go, and because I was a part of the creative process. I was, we were sitting with them and writing dialogues and pieces of the script. So it was just such fun, and it was lovely to revisit everything that I've gone through in my life. It was, I mean, a lot of people think it's painful, but for me it was like breaking me open. I got a chance to view myself from the outside. So I was very happy.
Wow, that's interesting. You said breaking you open. Ma'am, I want to bring you here as well because you played such an important role in this journey that Masaba talks about. Was it also therapeutic for you at some level to go back and revisit how she viewed her life and childhood?
Not really. I just took it as I'm doing any other serial. I was a little hesitant initially because this is the first time I'm playing myself also. I'm playing me,
Yeah.
actually. And I was a little hesitant that will I do justice to the role because it's too close. And also, Masaba is playing the daughter, and we have certain scenes which are very identifiable. People will identify with them, relate to them. So that was it. But once I went on to the set, everything was like normal. Yeah, like any other work.
But like Masaba, like you said, this is a fictionalized account of your life. So did the two of you or you yourself, Masaba, have any conversations with yourself on how far you'd go and not too much when it comes to safeguarding your privacy?
Uh, I kind of made it very clear within myself. I don't remember having a conversation with mom actually, but I think it was understood. You know, in any case between us, it's understood of how much we want to share and how much we don't want to share. You know, and I think I don't know if that's true, mom, but I feel like that. And I think that when I sat down and I started seeing a few pieces of the script and things like that in the screenplay, I just knew that there were people in my life who have their bits and pieces of their personality have translated onto the on-screen characters. I just wanted to make sure that I show them in good light. The people who are, of course, the characters that are inspired from people in my real life. I wanted to show them in good light. The second thing was I knew that there is a wall and I'm not going to cross that. I mean, it might be exciting to share more, and I know that it will be juicier. I know it will be, much more fun for people to watch. It will be more gossip for people. But I knew that there is a line that I will not cross, and I haven't crossed that, and I don't intend to in the if we go into season 2 as well, because that's my life, and I think prior to what when contrary to what people think, I think I'm a very very private person. There are certain aspects of my life I just do not share, and I wanted it to be that way. And even then, there's enough masala in the show to make it exciting.
Absolutely. And there's this part where you're very annoyed and you're telling a friend that, all my life, my friends keep saying that it must be so cool to have a mom like Neena Gupta. She's so badass. All of us do think that way. But is there a flip side to
Yeah.
being Neena Gupta's daughter?
Yeah, totally. I think she's actually very conservative, huh? Used to be, at least.
Acha.
Ask her, she's a very conservative person. She used to be much more conservative earlier, but I think in the last 3, 4 years, she's become a little easier to do it. She's not so cool, also. She's conservative, and I'm scared of her. There are lines I do not cross with my mother
Wow.
till
What are these
today, and I'm
lines?
like an
What are these?
adult. It's like I remember when I used to stay with her, I would never come late after a certain time. Like earlier, I was a rebel and I would make sure I come late, but now I'm like, no. As older I get, I'm like, I want to be home at a certain time. Then I get scared of eating too much junk in front of her. I don't, yeah, like my language is different, so it's there. It's like I'm scared of her. So she's not like a bindas person. She's a Punjabi lady sometimes. Yeah.
So mean, Punjabi lady.
But that's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good
Huh.
thing. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I like Punjabi
So,
ladies very much.
even I do. I'm half Punjabi, by the way. Half Bania, half Punjabi.
So even
No,
more hectic a combination.
uh, see, this what she has said. I think this is fair enough because we are friends also. We are mother daughter also. So it is both of the things are there, So that line is also there, and sometimes there is no line also. So it is both there. And also, I want to say that the reason for making this series was not taking out your anger or your bitterness about life out. It was just just telling a little story, tongue in cheek, just a story in 6 episodes, and just a part of her life at that time, and that's it. Rest is all very natural and organic, I think.
No, absolutely. And like you said, tongue in cheek, there are some lines in the episodes where, your husband in the show is telling you what is the need to behave like a struggling actress at this age, or you talk about the depression of not getting roles which you really wanted. It really felt like it was a phase that we had seen you go through. I want to know,
Yeah.
what did that phase teach you about the industry, ma'am?
Actually, my husband used to say that. And in fact, I told the writers that, he used to say that, what's the need now? Earlier, you needed money, now everything is okay and all. But those 10 years where I did not work, I thought I have worked enough in life. I had no leisure time, luxury time to myself. I had a baby, I had no husband, and I had no money. So it was a difficult phase. But I realized in that phase, even after I had my boyfriend, who's my husband now, that I was missing something, that everybody was taking me for granted because I was home. So, and there was a lack of respect. This is what I felt. So, I think works gives you respect, it makes you feel respectable. So, that's the reason I said, no, no, no. I am okay. I'm a very good housewife. I can cook, I can look after the household, bacha, husband, but I need to work. That
Right.
is me. I need to work. I think all women need to work.
Nice. But I'm actually curious to know from you, Masaba, because we saw your mother probably in the phase of the shoot go from people thinking she had quit acting to suddenly her being in every film. How did you go about getting her
Yeah.
to do this series?
She was actually very excited when she heard about the series idea. And the joke is that she didn't have dates. I think we had to fight for her dates because she was doing like, I think she was shooting Shubh Mangal that time also, or before or after. And there was just a lot going on. But the thing is, I think she said this will be very good for you. I remember her telling me that because in general, I'm overly critical of myself, and I think I try and I don't think about things when I do them. I just do them if they feel good. But later on, I sit with this table and I dissect each part of my life. But she said this will be very good for you because it's you can tell your story the way you want to, and right in the middle of your life, right in the middle of your life, and right the way you want to explore and the way you want to portray yourself. But she was very happy, but she was a very busy actor, and I think her rate was also very high at that time. So yeah, so it was good. I think it worked out. It all worked out.
So I just want to know, was she also a mother on the set, or is it something that you can shake off very easily? Because did you catch her having these any baby ko juice chahiye wala moments on set?
Listen, she's the opposite of baby
It
ko
was
juice.
opposite. I was going to say, Masaba, it was like baby ko juice
Totally
nahi
opposite.
chahiye.
बेबी को कुछ खातिरदारी मत करो. बेबी स्टार किड के निकाल के यहाँ पे बिहेवियर मत करो बिकॉज मम्मी भी सेट पे है. नो प्रेफरेंशियल ट्रीटमेंट एट ऑल. And in fact, I have to tell you that I think it was the first day I was shooting with her, and there was a scene we were doing, and she looked at me and she said, "कितना बुरा कर रही है?" You remember?
Nahi, I don't remember.
She said it in front of the whole set.
What? I don't
And I
remember.
wanted to
No, you are
cry.
lying. Huh?
No, it's the truth. It's that scene where I'm in your house and I've come back and we have this fight. We're about to have this fight. And I remember I was really hamming it. I was like, I really want to act this out, Like, I was like, let me remove all my 10, 15 years of people telling me you can't be an actress. I'm going to prove it in this scene. And I did a terrible job. And she
I
said, इतना
don't
बुरा क्यों कर रही
remember.
है? चिल्ला क्यों रही है? She said, चिल्ला क्यों रही है? She said that. And I was like, okay. And I remember the DOP, Adi, and Sonam. Everybody was there. Everyone was trying not to laugh and just like keep quiet. Because it was my first or second shot. And it was hilarious. But so you can imagine the treatment I've got.
It must
काम
have been.
करो, work hard, prove yourself.
Man, that could have actually been mortifying if you ask me. But with all this talk of nepotism, I'm very curious to get both of your viewpoints in because Masaba, you chose a profession eventually that neither of your parents could really push you or like prod you. So where do you guys stand on the entire debate?
It's become a very bitter topic, and I'm being very honest. It's become such a bitter topic that whatever I say will be held against me, whatever I say, and I really have my views on it. I discuss it a lot, but I just think that I don't want to be in a place where anything I say is just used against me. All I know is that I've worked really hard on this. I've worked hard in fashion. I've worked hard in this area. I want to work even harder, and I don't want to talk about anything except hard work and just everybody getting their due. That's all, and everybody having a great amount of control on their mental health. And I think people need to be kinder to each other. People need to work really hard, and people need to understand that I hope tomorrow in the future everybody gets their due for the work they do. Is my take on this whole thing. Yeah.
Absolutely. So you were right when you said that you will share, but you draw the line and you know where to hold back. So that is Masaba for you. You know, on this note, I want to get the other women on board, Sonam and Ashwini, who come on board as director and executive producer. Let's get them in and figure out what it was like to actually work with the Gupta women.
Oh, I like that Gupta women.
Yeah.
Ashwini, Sonam, welcome to our little chat, and it's so wonderful to see an all-woman panel, me included. Like really,
Yeah.
Yeah.
this is
Feel
a
like that.
rarity.
Well,
All hot women. You missed the hot part.
Absolutely. This really feels like such a rarity. And I want to throw it to you, Ashwini, and ask you, how did you go about really getting this estrogen party started?
I think Masaba, correct me if I'm wrong, but the first time we met, she thought I'd come up with another chat show, कि fashion के बारे में बात करते हैं आज इसी दिन types. So basically it was
I thought it was
yeah.
a reality show, even worse. Yeah.
So I really would like to thank Netflix for kind of seeing the vision and commissioning the show, because it's a little tough show to explain. So I think till the trailer actually came out, a lot of people thought it's sort of different. It's a Kardashian sort of a show, or some of them thought it's going to be a documentary. So no one had a clear picture till they saw the trailer. Yeah.
Absolutely. And like you said, it is a tough concept to really crack. So, Sonam, let's get you in here just to understand how did you manage to manipulate, and I don't mean this in a negative way at all, but manipulate your actor who was a non actor up until then to really just trust you enough to give you the most honest version of her own life. Because she's the boss. She actually calls the shots on what goes here.
I think it started from the writing phase onwards. There was complete openness and honesty from both Masaba and Neena ji. They were just like, come hang out with us, and me and the writers would go over to Masaba's house. We would have beer and like eat food,
Yeah.
and just they were
Lots of
so
food.
open about everything about their lives that I understood that there were really no boundaries except for whatever we draw ourselves. Like as writers and as a director, I wanted the boundary of this is the time frame, these are the messages, this is the messaging of the show, this is the kind of humor I want. So it was drawn by us, not by them. They were actually like, "Kya chahiye? Batao." जो चाहिए ले लो. So it was too much information to put together, and then we like structured it and made like 6 episodes out of it.
Also, how does the energy on a set change when there are just so many women? Because Neena ji, you probably have been on sets where the only woman on set was the heroine's hairstylist. How really do things change having so many women on set?
It was great fun, actually. Actually, we had great fun while shooting. And also, if you have great fun while shooting, the product also becomes like that only. If there are very sad people on the set, sad director, sad actor, sad cameraman, sad, then the product also becomes like that. So there was a lot of positive energy, a lot of fun, basically. We
A
had
lot of
great fun.
eating, cakes, a lot of
That's
cakes
Lot of
being
what I
eating,
ordered.
and
mean.
I have to say that work gets done so much quicker with women on set. I was witness to that, and I think when I remember even our art director was a girl, and pretty much everybody, so work gets done like this because women are on their toes, not like men are, but women are a little more
Masala
furtili.
phasi to abhi.
Proactive.
Furtili.
No, it's true.
Hey,
I mean,
Kurtili is a nice title.
it's
No, but do
sorry,
you guys find
digressing.
yourself? Do you guys find yourself as mother-daughter again, because we live in the age of social media where anything can be misinterpreted? And Masaba, you're sitting on close to a million followers on your Instagram itself. Do you find yourself constantly telling each other, "Ki, what is that you're posting? Don't say that. You don't know how it will be read."
This is one way, because most of the
Oh,
time she tells me,
yeah.
what have you written? Please delete it. What are you doing? Why are you writing this? But it is much less now because I've become better. It's very rare that I have told her, maybe once or twice, I have told her, I don't think you should write that. Because I have learned one thing, that you should never post anything on social media when you are angry and disturbed. Let the anger fade away a little. Like रात को कुछ हुआ है, गुस्सा आ गया और मैंने डाल दिया. No, you have to cool down and then post, because sometimes it is not correct, because you might say something and later regret about it.
I want to ask Ashwini and you, Sonam, what is it about the Gupta women and how are they really on set? I promised to get the real dope out from the two of you. So, what are the two of them really like? Because, like I said earlier in this chat, in the scenes where they're together, as audiences, you don't even feel like they're acting. So, did you have to like really call cut and like break up the party?
Yeah, so the best thing about me, first of all, is that she has no filters. Okay. So she, from day one, was like, Masaba, ठीक से करो ना, क्या कर रहे हो, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? You know, like, so we all feel like it's fine now. You know, she'll just, call it as it is. And my favorite thing about Masaba is like she doesn't get bothered by it. If my mother was on my set, if my mother was on my set being like "ठीक से करो," I would be like, "Oh no, leave me alone." But she just laughs. So it was always just like really easygoing, as if we were in their house. It never felt like this is work and you don't say that, don't say that. We were all just like making fun of each other and not taking ourselves too seriously. That's why it's just real and it breathes like as if we're just in their house.
And last words to Masaba herself. When the show goes out, Masaba, what are you hoping that the audience views it with? Like, what are you hoping they take away from the show, and what would you like them to view it with?
I think just come with an open mind. It's we've done a very genuine job at it. It's not, there's no pretense. It's just us being us. It was there was so much fun that was had while making it. It for me it was like breaking me open, which I said before as well. But I think for people it's a fun light watch. I think young girls will identify a lot with it. Strangely, after seeing the trailer, a lot of middle-aged men are loving it. So I think they will enjoy it. Like my physiotherapist and everyone has messaged me. So I said, "Oh, okay." So I really want to say it's not for just fashion people. That's a misconception. It's for everybody. It's for a young girl who's just starting her job. Anybody who has like a cool mother-daughter relationship. Anybody who's a young professional or not working, whatever it is. I think everybody will find something that they like in the show. It's an honest, genuine attempt at a genre that is so new for India. So I would say go with an open mind and go with lots of food and lots of drinks because it's fun and I just have fun. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah.
That sounds like a party. Can't wait for the rest of the world to see it. Thank you so much for being on my show, and all the best. We need to have more of these panels. So thank you for enabling it, Ashwini and Netflix.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. It was
Thank
fun.
you.
Again,
Thank
it was
you.
fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much.